Hello, future engineers. Here is another solution to beam deflections, and this is part 6 by three moment equations. So this is the original problem, and let's anticipate or draw the elastic curve so that we can compute the deflections at point C and point E. That's the first thing, first required values for delta C and delta E where the three moment equation can be used. And take note that in the three moment equations, only deflections can be solved. These three moment equations were solved or derived by area moment method. So for computing the slopes, we use the area moment method afterwards. So first, compute the reaction at D considering CDE by taking moment about C. And after that, I want you to show that the reactions at supports A, B, and the internal hinge at C will be as follows. So from there, RA vertical is negative 728 over 15. So these are the values from the previous methods also. So we can compute the moment at B. It is simply considering AB, cut section B, take moment about B. So it is positive 90 minus positive 90 plus negative 728 over 15 times 6. So that's the expected elastic curve. So moment at B is quantity 90 minus 728 over 15 times 6, so negative 201.2 kilonewton meter. At D, it is negative 18 times 2 times 1, so it is negative 36 kilonewton meter. We then apply three moment equation in span ABC. So take note that the moment at A is 0, the moment at C is also 0 because it is an internal hinge. So it is only moment at B that has value, negative 201.2. So moment A is MA, three moment equation, remember? So 0 plus 2 times negative 201.2. This is delta C, by the way. And if this below the reference tangent, we anticipate that it is negative. So if the value is positive, that means that our anticipated value of or sign of delta C is correct. So HA is 0, H sub C is negative of delta C as shown because it is below the horizontal line through B, and we anticipated that. So 0 plus 2 times negative 201.2 times quantity 6 plus 4 plus moment at C0, then this is the value of 6A1 A over L1, which is M, because that's clockwise, over L, quantity L square minus 3A square, where A is 0 because it acts at A. So A, distance A is 0. Then for 6A2B over L2, it is 25 PB, or 25 times 2 over L, quantity L square minus B square. So 4 square minus 2 square equals 6EI. As I said, HA is 0, HB is negative delta C over 4. So the value of delta C is positive. So meaning to say that's correct, that the final position of the internal hinge C is below the horizontal axis of the beam. So that's why it is below. And it is, or downward, it is actually, the final answer would be negative. Negative 2222.667 over EI. Next, we apply three moment equation on CDE. and we anticipate that delta E is positive. 8 sub C is negative 6668 over 3 below the horizontal reference line at D, while delta E is, you'll just make it positive. If it is positive, it's correct. So that's delta E. So moment at C is 0, moment at D negative 36, moment at E 0. So 0 plus 2 times negative 36, quantity 5 plus 2 plus 0. Then the value of 6 area 1 A over L1 is WL cube over 4. 18 times 5 cube over 4. While 6A2B over L2, it's also uniform, DE. So 18 2 cube over 4 equals 6EI quantity negative 668 over 3. That's the delta C or 8 sub C. Then divided by 5 L, L1 or LCD. Then plus delta E divided by L2, which is 2. Computing delta C, it is positive 27617 over 30 EI or 920.567 over EI, which is positive, and therefore it's correct, our assumption is correct that delta E is positive. Next, for theta C left, angle that the tangent at C left makes with horizontal, you can review area moment theorem presentation and follow that solution. But this time, instead of that solution, I apply area moment, still area moment method, but considering A to C left directly, so that the solution would be different, and you can master area moment theorem. So first, let's determine the angle formed between the tangents at A and C left, which is simply the area of the moment diagram. So I copy the moment area by parts from area moment method. Then it is simply the area between A and C. This is point C. So EI, theta A to C left is 1/2 of, or 10 times 90, this rectangle, plus 1/2 of 4 times 1336 over 3 minus the area of this triangle, 1/2 of 10 times 1436 over 3, then minus the area of this triangle, 1/2 of 2 times 50. So theta AC left is equal to negative 686 over EI. Negative means clockwise from the tangent at A to tangent at C left. It is clockwise as shown. So this is the tangent at A. This is the tangent at C left. So this is theta A C left, which is clockwise. And supposedly this is 10 times theta A, and we already computed delta C. So let's compute next vertical deviation of C left relative to the tangent at A, which is this vertical distance here. It is anticipated negative because C left is below the reference tangent at A. So for that case, we consider area, moment of areas between A and C left. We already computed the areas. We just copy this and add and install the moment arms from C left. So for instance, 10 times 90 times 5, the moment arm. Then this one, 1/2 of 4, 26 over 3, 4/3. So let's do that here. That's theta A, and this angle is theta A is positive if that's correct, because it is inclined up to the right. Then this is theta C left, which is anticipated negative because the tangent at C left is clockwise from the horizontal. So let's compute deviation of C left relative to the tangent at A. So that this whole value is 10 meters times theta A. This is delta C. So EI deviation of C left relative to the tangent at A, we copy this, then provide the moment arms. So 5, then 4 thirds, 10 thirds, the moment arm here, 10 thirds. Then this one third of 2 thirds, the moment arm. So calculating division of C left relative to A is negative 7,304 over 3 EI, which is anticipated negative as expected. Then, because theta is positive, we just treat everything as positive. 10 theta A plus absolute value of delta C is absolute value of this division of C relative to C left relative to A. So we just treat everything as positive. So 10 theta A, because theta A is anticipated positive also, plus absolute value of delta C must also be absolute value of deviation of C left relative to A. So this is treated positive, although it's negative here, because everything is treated positive. So that is 10 theta A plus delta C, which is 668 over 3 EI equals absolute value of 7304 over 3 EI, which is this. So theta A can now be computed 21.2 over EI. So from the figure, theta A plus theta C left, theta, or in other words, 10 theta A plus delta C, we already computed theta A. So from the figure, theta AC left equals theta A plus theta C left. So that is 21.2 over EI. This is theta A plus theta C left equals theta AC left, which is treated positive also by the figure shown. We treat this positive, we treat this positive. So we also treat this as positive. 686 over EI. This theta AC left. So theta C left is equal to 664.8 EI clockwise. And since clockwise rotation is negative, the final answer for theta C left is negative 664.8 over EI. So to continue, let's compute theta C right and theta E. Then take note that we already computed delta E and delta C. So we draw tangents at C right and at E. As I said, you can use the solutions. You can recall solutions to area moment method approach, which I already uploaded here. But as I said, I changed the points, considered points, so that there will another way of solving it, verifying those answers. So this is the moment diagram by parts for portion CDE, remember? Then we draw tangents at C right, tangent at E as shown. So the angle that the tangent at C right makes with horizontal is the slope, theta C right. If that's correct, that's positive slope. And the angle that the tangent at E, which is here, makes with horizontal is theta E. As shown, this is theta E. That's theta E. And the angle between the tangents at C right and at E is the angle theta C right to E. And from C right to E, if this is correct, the rotation is counterclockwise as shown, and it is expected positive, and it is represented by the area between C and E. So this area here. So theta C right E can be computed as 1/2 of 5 times 441 minus 1/3 of 5 times 225, then minus this area 5 times 36, minus this area 1/2 of 5 times 180, minus this area spandrel 1/3 of 2 times 36. Calculating theta C right to E is 73.5 over EI, positive as expected. So that delta E is theta C right plus theta C RE. But let's compute theta C right by computing deviation of point E relative to C right. So take note, this is delta E and this is delta C. So EI, deviation of point E relative to the tangent at C right, is these same areas between CDE, and we just provide moment arms. Then take note that we should compute the moment of these areas about point E. So for the first area, the moment is 16 thirds, supposedly 2 thirds of 5, 10 thirds plus 2. This is 2 meters. So 16 thirds minus 1/3 of 5 times 2 to 5. The moment arm is, this is 5 over 4 or 1.25. So its distance from E is 7. That's 5 plus 2, 7 minus 1.25, so 5.75. Then moment of this area, moment arm is 2.5 plus 2, 4.5. The moment of this area is 2 thirds of 5, 10 thirds plus 2, 16 thirds, just like this. Then this area, the moment arm is 1.5 because this is supposedly 2 over 4 or zero point 0.5 from this edge, then 2 minus zero point 0.5, 1.5. So deviation of E relative to C right is 477.75 over EI, positive, because point E, which is now at this point here, is above the reference tangent at uh, at C right. So it is above the reference tangent at C right, and it is represented as shown. So deviation of C relative to the tangent, division of E relative to the tangent at C right. So from the figure, this is supposedly 7 times theta C right, 7 times theta C right. So 7 times theta C right plus division of E relative to the tangent at C right equals delta C, treated positive because we treat everything as positive also, plus uh, delta E, which we already computed in the preceding slides, 27617 over 30 EI. So from there we can solve theta C right, and it is positive 22847 over 60 EI, which is 380.783 over EI. It's the same as before. So finally, from the figure, theta E is theta C right, which is this, plus theta CRE, which is 73.5. So theta E is theta C right, 22847 over 60 EI plus theta CRE, 73.5. And because The tangent at E is clockwise from the horizontal, counterclockwise from the horizontal, it is positive. So theta E is 27257 over 60 EI, or 454.283 over EI. So that's it for this video.